let's go straight to it. You have marks and your results automatically pass or fail. In Excel, this is the formula. If condition, comma, value if true, comma, value if false. Example, let us comment on this course. If marks are in cell B2, you write equals if B2 greater than or equal to 50, comma, pass, comma, fail. What is happening? Excel checks if B2 is greater than or equal to 50. If yes, pass. If not, fail. And this will apply for the rest of the cells. Access. We're going to use the same logic but slightly different syntax. Let's add another column here, comment. And then let us do the syntax. Calculated. If what condition? Condition is score greater than or equal to 50, comma, value if true, pass, comma, value if false, fail. Okay. Datasheet view. And the logic you'll find is the same, but slightly different syntax. So remember this. Excel says if, but Access says if, but the structure is the same. Now let's go further. What if you have more than two results? Not only pass and fail, like distinction, pass and fail. In Excel, you just nest another if. For example, if B2 is greater than or equal to 80, comma, distinction, comma, another if starts, if B2 is greater than or equal to 50, comma, pass, comma, fail, the last one, comma, close the first bracket and the second one, and copy the formula to the others, and this is the outcome. So here, Excel says, first, is it greater than or equal to 80? If yes, distinction. If no, check again. Is it greater than 50? If yes, pass. Otherwise, fail. Access does the same thing. Let us see. Again, if score greater than or equal to 50 or 80, comma, this is distinction, comma, again, if score is greater than or equal to 50, comma, this is pass, comma, fail. Then close again, just like the way we did in Excel. Then OK, then view, and you'll get the same results, only that the syntax was a bit different. So in Access, we just do the same thing. We just replace if with if. Master this, and you can handle any condition in Excel or in Access. Subscribe to ICT Kenya and keep leveling up every day.